Hi, I'm Mike Davison from Bottomline Ink.
And I'm Dave Toll.
We have been using our Xerox 5000 DocuColor machine to produce digital color print for 2 years now. But we've been getting more and more into variable data print and trying to sell our customers on the new variable data print technology. We were running up against a wall with our clients because they were having trouble understanding what the possibility of the technology was. And more importantly, our salespeople were challenged by being able to explain it to our clients and really sell the product because they didn't understand it as well as we needed them to. We had a specific client who wanted to do a 4-page flyer with some variable data print on it. They kind of had an idea, they thought what they wanted to do, but they still didn't get it. So we decided that we would put together a 4-page brochure of our products, very similar to the kind of thing they were going to put together, and demonstrate how to do variable data print. In the process, we said, this would be a great tool for our salespeople. Why don't we get our own salespeople using it? They'll understand it better and they'll be able to make a go of it then with their clients. So I took it to IT and said, what can we do? Take it to the graphics department, take our brochures, take our 4 main products, and what can we do with it? And this is what Dave came up with.
So what we did was we developed a custom web interface that included selection sets of our 4 main service areas, which is digital print, mail, fulfillment, and commercial print or print management. We developed the interface in a way that allowed the salesperson to drag and drop their desired service selection that they're trying to promote to a client. Then they were able to rearrange the 3 remaining service selections so that they could select a secondary and a tertiary and so on to try to entice them from an administrative standpoint. We also didn't ever want them to forget to mention that we did mail or that we did this. The idea was passive promotion of other areas. On the web form, we also gave them an area to do a simulated handwritten message to the client. It used the client's first name, it used their first name. We tried to keep this very personal. And then throughout the document, we also sprinkled the prospect's name, the company name throughout the document to try to keep them interested with familiarity. From the sales rep's login, we pulled the contact information on the sales rep so that their information was always on there. The idea was to keep it very easy for that sales rep to do, very easy for them to log in, create a document in just a couple of minutes, and submit it to our Xerox workflow. So in and out, get the production piece done, and then let our production department take over from there.
The program, we started off with a goal of just asking our salespeople to at least get 5 out a week. Just find a client, pick a target, send it out, and start working with it and see how it goes. Figure out how the system works. Well, especially after the 2nd week, we had trouble keeping up with the salespeople. They loved it. Even more importantly, our clients loved it. In the first couple hundred that we sent out, we got so many responses it was hard to keep up with it. When our clients see it, they get it, they understand, because they know our products, they know enough about us that they understood the variable data nature of it and how we were manipulating the data and how our salespeople were making it work. And when they were getting the stuff in the mail the next day after a call, seeing salespeople saying, hey, I'll send you this brochure that lets you know about our print management program. Next day they get it in the mail. They really get how that works and how that works as a marketing tool for their own company. So ever since then, we've been busy trying to keep up with the follow-up calls and working on web pages for our clients, web applications, developing them for them. So.
Beyond that, our salespeople, because they've become familiar with the application of it, have been able to give us really great ideas. They've been able to interact with their clients because they understand the web interface and how it's created and how it all comes together. So they're having more intelligent conversations with the clients and able to give us feedback that we wouldn't normally be able to hear. we can then in turn turn that back into better technology and create better applications.